up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got a very nice looking 1971 Chevy Malibu Chevelle. We're going to do a full walkthrough of the vehicle so you know exactly what you get before you get it. If you like classic cars, please hit the subscribe button. We get new inventory in every single day. Hit that notification button if you want to see all of our stuff and be notified exactly when it's up for sale so you don't miss out. We ship all over the US and worldwide. Get to any port of your choosing. Let's go ahead and get started on this one. 1971 Malibu Chevelle. It's got a 400 small block. It's not the original engine. Automatic transmission. This thing is very clean. It's got a beautiful stance. As you can see in the back, it sits a little higher. It's got an aggressive look to it. I bought this from one of my clients. He had 6 cars in his collection. This is one of them I bought. It stood in the garage the past 25, 30 years. He bought it from one of his friends. It's not original paint, but the paint looks great. It's definitely better than a driver quality. It's not show quality, but it's better than a driver. It looks really good for 5 feet away, 2 feet away, 1 feet away. Paint shines good. It's a nice paint job. There's not many imperfections in this. On the body, there's no rust on it at all. We'll start off with the fender. Fender's in good shape. No obvious flaws. I don't see anything here that sticks out. Tires are in good shape. It has been sitting, like I said, in the garage for a while. If you're going to daily drive it, I would replace the tires, even though they got good tread on them, because the age of the tires. Wheels in good shape. Go on to this door. You got a little imperfection in the door right there. The rest of the door is in good shape. No rust, no bubbling, nothing like that. I like the tint. I like the way it looks. The vinyl top's in good shape. Got no flaws there. Down here on the quarter, nothing. The lines are nice in this. It's just a solid car for sure. Got a little bit of love. It had a scratch here, scuff that's in the paint. The rest is good. There's no rust, no rot, no bubbling, no pitting there. You got the Chevy tips. I'm not a fan of them. I'd probably take them off if I was keeping it. You do have a little bit of bubbling up here. Starting. Just a little bit. And that's from moisture sitting, getting in here. But it's all solid. Bumper's in good shape. Those are pretty much the only flaws of the car on the exterior. You look on this side, nothing going on here. It's in good shape. No flaws here. Down here, nothing. This door's in good shape. There's no flaws that I can see. Visually, got a little chip right here in the door. Again, wheels are in good shape. Tires, just due to the age, I would replace them. You don't have to, but just for safety reasons, I probably would if I'm driving it every day. If you're just cruising this on the weekends, you could probably get away with leaving the tires because there's good tread. They just are old. Let me look under the car. The frame is in great shape. Floors are in good shape. I don't see anything that stands out. Again, this car is real solid as far as rust. I showed you that little bit up there, but besides that, there's nothing else on this car, especially the undercarriage. And that's the reason why I bought this car, is because look at that. It's so clean underneath. We're on the East Coast, and I only find stuff like this in the South and in the West Coast. And I bought this in the South. I bought this in Virginia, West Virginia area, and it was garage kept. Door's got a little flaw right here. The carpet, not in great condition. Dash is in good condition. Headliner's in good condition. Back seat is good condition. You got some nice big speakers that they do work. I'd probably get rid of them. The seats, now the seats are in okay shape. You got a cut there, and this one looks a little bit more faded than that one. So they're not, you know, it's probably average condition. This was not a console car. It looks like originally it was a column shift car. You got oil pressure there, water temperature there. But I mean, I'll tell you what, this car drives really well. It's showing 80,532 miles. Unknown what the true miles is, if that's correct or not. Show you inside the trunk. Trunk is solid. This mat hasn't been lifted up in a long time, but it's all solid. Probably get rid of this mat, wire brush that down so you don't get any rust or anything, but it's all solid. Why I like this Chevelle is because it's a great looker and a good driver. It shows very, very well. Little imperfections on the inside. The radio works. There's no AC in this. Beautiful sound to it. It's not too loud. Power steering, power brake car, and the engine just runs nice and smooth. And when you get on it, it just sounds great. Wow. No smoke, nothing. Up for sale now, guys. Give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. This thing is really nice. It's a solid car. If you have any questions, give me a call, 215-801-9493. Call me directly. I go straight to my cell phone. You won't deal with any salespeople. You'll deal with me directly. Hopefully we can get together and put a deal. I ship all over the US. I can get to any port if you want to take it out of the country. We can close the deal within 24 to 48 hours and get it shipped out to you. Appreciate you checking out the page, guys. You have a great day. God bless. Take care. Later.